Alright. Try to play little Blind Myth. Just a wee bit. Everyone's dead. No one's alive in this motherfucker. Alright. So I had started a recording the other day. I got a call like right when I started. It was so late by the time I got back from it. I just got off. But what the fucking dickety do? He's gremlin. I came up here, found this guy, the guy that was in the prison.
Their lifeless bodies might still bring those eggs to me.
He asked the quest of me. He's the one that was in the prison in chapter 3. The creepy guy we saw in the cell. There he is. So we gotta do something for him.
Among
That's all I did. You guys didn't really miss anything, just the cutscene, which is not that important. Night Rain is gonna be a recurring video over the next few months. I'll post some videos of some of our playthroughs on there, and at some point I'll do a stream also when I have the time. It's just easier for me to upload these videos because I can just take a short amount of time, an hour or so to do them. Whereas streaming, less than 2 hours. And getting a call, getting several calls at once. So, just gonna do what we can for now, without stretching ourselves too thin. I don't want it to get to the point where it like stresses me out trying to do this stuff. Okay, this area is opening up just a little too much. Stop it. Stop it. What's going on over here? Cloud nest. We're getting closer to whatever the fuck that is.
Buddhists are on.
These are like the weakest enemies in the entire fucking game. They're so weak.
A monk! Eva! Eva! Away with you!
So weak. Yep. Saw that coming. What the fuck? Son of that one. What's wrong button? I'm playing Night Rain too much. I press square instead of L1 to heal. Life-saving pill. Oh, fucking shit. Is this the other direction? Indeed. Blood of the Iron Pool. I don't really know what I'm supposed to be doing with the mask guy. Man, they love their random drops in this game. The remains of the deceased Taoist of Pedophile Hamlet may be just what Taoist me outside the temple is seeking. Oh. Okay. Did I ever go down here? Can I? Go. Okay. Is this what you seek? Whoops.
Splendid. This is it. Vile and evil it is. Hence, I must bring it back for thorough study. Young master, in our brief acquaintance, you were kind enough to do me a favor. Why not extend your kindness by leaving your head with me? That would please my master greatly.
Why have I not hit? bad for me. That was me. I'm sorry. I apologize.
A strong foe. Just what I need.
Oh, come on.
You shall be my initial feast to power my metamorphosis ascension.
Ah, so is this where the insect sign? All those ones. Shit, stop it! Just unlocked. Cheating boys. The pink snake lady. Oh, hello.
These impudent mortals have overreached themselves.
Oh, Jesus.
Their demise was of their own creation.
I thought you were.
But you are special. What poisoned them only strengthens you. Keep it close and wield it wisely. You'll see its potential. Go, release him. Being trapped there is a torment worse than death. I've watched him grow up. I cannot bring myself to do it.
Alright. The violet hail, violet worm, into a worm guai. Immune to poison, inflict their poison ban on the enemy with each attack.
Buddhists are unwelcome in the land.
Let's beat the master's ass, and you think you stand a chance? Gotta say the Trogs for quite a while. I've killed many of your great warriors. Did we go all the way here? Yarp. Oh, I'm coming. You get to shoot, so do I. Alright, y'all can move out of the way. I'm no longer in need of your services. What lies in wait? The blood of the Argo. Okay. Cover that. Came up here already.
Buddhists are unleashed.
Shit. I'm scared. Yeah, I already came up here. Okay. We're nearing the end of this area. Hey, key medicines. I'm itching. Instantly recovers full health and removes all 4 Bane states. That's pretty good. Craft any new things. Nope. Armor? Hey, we got that one, but we can start crafting some of it. What sucks is it's not as good as venomous sting insect armor. That's 2 different ones. Not quite as good as that one though. Good poison resistance. We won't worry about it right now. Go ahead and craft both of these. Insufficient materials. So we just need to craft that helmet, those greaves, and those gauntlets. Okay. Set spells. The Violet Hail. Try that out. Reignite the key sparks. We'll just keep increasing our attack until we max it out. And then we'll increase our maximum mana until we max it out. work on everything else after that. Alright, let's see what lies in wait. Sorry, I didn't realize how loud the game audio was. I just turned it down some. Ugh. I'm not a fan of this. What the actual fuck is that? What the fuck? A chicken? Chicken? Has like half health for some reason. Oh, mamma mia. The hideous boss. Okay. I'm sure we can make it to this first phase without using a spell, because I'm sure there's a second phase.
Black.
God damn, I sent you an invite forever ago.
Yeah, like 30 minutes ago, dude, and you never responded to my message, and I was like, I guess he died, and then I saw the party was still open, so I was like, maybe he didn't die, maybe he just ghosted my message, and he's a dick, and I want to come in here and tell you that you're a dick.
Oh, okay. I didn't see your message.
that
I'm
valid?
fighting a boss in
Is that valid? Was that her?
Black Myth.
Whoa, dude. The way that you said black was slightly racist. I'm majorly aroused.
I'm getting a second phase that is looking a little terrifying.
I love when things are... Whoa, dude, it's really red.
It was not like that a second ago. Oh boy.
Is that a monkey?
Yeah, and that is a chicken monster. Oh!
I was talking about you, but yeah, that's cool too.
Nope, I cannot. Oh, that's great. God damn!
That's the same chicken McChickens are made out of, dude. That's why they're so fucking mad
Sorry.
and bad, dude.
Makes sense.
Everybody loves a good old McChicken, you know? Used to be $1, now they're like 7.
Dude, the chicken and stuff in the McChickens is hot ass. Oh, this is just doing constant damage!
Wow.
That's crazy. No, I missed! No!
Would it make me racist if I'm rooting for the chicken?
That would make you a bad friend.
Okay, my bad. I like to see my friends in peril.
God damn.
Does it attack? Jesus, dude, what a pussy.
God damn it! Oh. Let's go into our disgusting transformation. Oh, that
Oh
This
my
ain't-
god, dude.
this ain't working out very well.
You're dead.
That didn't work out.
Oh my god, and he healed? What a vagina, dude. You need to take your L's like a man. You need to do a no damage run. That's what you need to do.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Get gray in your fucking hair, dude.
God damn.
I don't like how you're using the Lord's name in
Shut up. I've got. Ooh. I got him. I got him. Yeah. The cockerel coward or crowed. The cockerel crowed is the trophy I just got. I can't
Wow,
read
dude,
either apparently.
That's so hot. Oh my god, wearing hoop earrings, dude?
It's pretty
What a
crazy.
hoe.
Look at this sexy bitch.
And they've marred you like this.
She's not that sexy. I'm not gonna yuck your yum, but yikes. What's up with her chesticles, dog?
She's a snake lady.
Oh yeah, I see the cobra now.
I didn't mean to hold this back from you. It was because I had to. I stayed my hand for my ties to his mother. That's why
The
I
carpets
called upon
match
you.
the drapes. Oh my god, is that a pin?
Yeah. It's like a bunch of Chinese mythology stuff that I don't understand.
Yeah, it's because you didn't watch Dragon Ball, dude.
How did you get this? I thought
Because in
you
this
were the
character,
one I
what,
wanted.
Goku's based off of or some shit?
Yeah, yeah.
This may
I didn't watch
well
Dragon Ball,
be
nor am I a big Chinese mythology guy, but I read that somewhere.
And restore its power. Consider this as my token.
Probably on Wikipedia.
No. I think it was on Twitter somewhere. In between all the Twitter porn. Just kidding.
There's a lot of Twitter porn.
Yeah, that's not where I
Actually,
get my
it's
porn
called
from.
X porn. Actually,
Oh yeah, my bad. Elon Musk, changed the name that no one gives a fuck about.
hey, everybody uses it.
Is that Martin Luther King?
That's Martin Mallard. That's Mallard Luther King.
Oh yeah, dude, yeah. The Black Ducks. Yeah.
Dangling from the sky. No one knows whether they need to win or burn. Why does everyone vie to scale them?
Did you listen to anything she said?
Yeah, I read it. I'm gonna have to go on YouTube and type in like, why is there a giant demon chicken boss? Black Myth Wukong.
Dude, why? Why?
Yeah, like why am I fighting a giant chicken? This is
That's
where
a big old black cock.
this is that's where all of Chick-fil-A's chicken comes from. The Lord does not allow demon chickens to exist.
Nope. No, they gotta purify. And they gotta repent. and then they can be turned into delicious spicy chicken sandwiches. Are you a regular chicken sandwich or a spicy chicken sandwich kind of guy?
I like the spicy deluxe from Chick-fil-A.
Big baller. We spend.
It's great.
Did you ever try the maple bacon one that they had?
I did not.
That one was pretty good. It like obviously you can get it with a spicy, but it was like a maple flavored bun with like maple bacon. I don't even know, but it was really good. And there was like cheese and shit. There's a lot of maple and a lot of bacon.
Sounds like
Just,
it.
you know, yeah. It was expensive as fuck though. Just for the sandwich, I think it was like $9 or $10.
God, just for the sandwich?
I know, dude. I was like, the only reason why I got it is because I got it for free. Because they sent me a thing on the app, and I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna try it. And then I looked at how much it was, and I was like, yeah, I would not have got this if it wasn't for free.
I mean, if I wanted to try something, I'd try it, no matter how much it was.
Oh wow, dude, that's crazy.
I thought that said soul immigration pill, and I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, dude, I gotta turn this
I
game off,
didn't
dude.
come here legally.
My
thank
red-blooded
you.
American self is getting boiled.
It's supposed to say red.
mean-
I think it's supposed to say red pill immigration.
Yeah, absolutely. Are you a red pill or a blue pill kind of guy?
Isn't the blue pill the one that gives you a hard on for like longer periods of time?
I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't have ED, so I wouldn't know. But I'm assuming it's probably blue
I don't have
because
ED.
their logo's blue, I think.
I have ET.
You have ET.
Yeah.
Damn. Erectile transfiguration. What?
No.
Is that a Harry Potter spell?
It's what?
I think transfiguration's in Harry Potter, no?
Worm practitioner.
Nah, Jacob and I played Siege for like 2.5, 3 hours.
God damn.
It was actually kind of fun. He enjoyed himself, I think.
No, but like, fuck, man. How late did y'all stay up? Jesus.
Almost to 4, I think.
Oh my God. What time do you go to work?
I don't work today or yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I usually work at night, so I wouldn't have been here if I was at work, Jordan.
Well, your
silly
hours
little
changed,
bitch.
didn't it? Like you don't work the same hours that you did?
Yeah, it like flops every year. Like they do like some weird, I don't know. You know, for like holidays and shit. Because last year I didn't have, well, technically I did have Christmas off, but that's because it was slow. But if it wasn't, I would have worked Christmas Eve, like evening. But like this year I don't. You know what I'm saying? So like
Well,
they
that
flip
sucks.
it. Yeah.
Look at that beautiful bitch right there.
Beautiful's not the word. Is that her nipples?
No, it's the cobra thing, man.
That's that's where her nipples should be. So I don't know.
That's fair.
I don't know a lot about snake anatomy, but those looked a little bit areolus. You know what I'm saying?
The levels on this game are so long.
That's what she said.
Ming, 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 ming.
Hey, download Siege.
What the fuck am I at on here? What'd you say?
Download Siege.
No!
Jacob had a lot of fun last night. We could all have fun together.
Well, that's great.
And then you could, your other friend, what is his name? Jim?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love Jim, dude. You can invite him too.
Yeah, he does not play first-person shooters.
Well, it's good because from the way that Jacob played last night, neither does he. He had fun. I think he went like a total of like 3 kills and like 28 deaths.
God,
It was
damn.
it was kind of impressive. I'm not gonna lie.
That's fucking insane.
He was using shields the whole time, dude. That's why he wasn't getting any kills.
He's
He
a
was just walking in
melee
there.
only guy in COD. He has no aim.
Yeah, I did see him use a gun a couple times in that game, and I was like, yeah. Gonna hop back on that shield, my boy.
Go ahead and pick that shield back up.
Yeah, just put that, just equip that real quick. Would it be considered a hate crime if you're enjoying this?
Killing these guys?
Yeah, dude, they look a little Asian.
Everyone in this game is Asian.
Yeah. That's why I said, is it a hate crime if you enjoy it?
I don't enjoy what
Why
I
did he
do.
get the power up hit, dude? That's kind of fucked up. What'd he do?
He just looked like he needed to get hit a little harder.
I'm a little harder.
I usually am around this time. It's almost goon hour.
No, not. What time is it?
Goon-
1. Yeah,
goon
that is
hour.
prime goon hour, dude. That is. It's like happy hour, but just late at night.
Mm-hmm. And my ice cream machine isn't broken.
Is that a
Bad joke,
reference to
sorry.
your penis? Oh, okay, my bad.
You would be correct. Stop it now.
Dude, you're gonna die to a fucking. Not even a boss, just some pleb?
Nah, he's out of here.
The fact you had to heal when you were fighting just
Hey,
some random ass
some-
NPC
you know,
character?
sometimes
Crazy. Nope.
Things
You're
just,
trash.
you know, don't go your way.
Nope. You need to do a no damage run.
Dude, look at this fucking thing.
Learn how to parry. Block.
There's no parry in this game. It's only dodge.
We'll learn how to do that, okay?
It's dodge or nothing.
It's dive, duck, dip, dive, and dodge.
And you have the spells. That's it.
Like Avada Kedavra did?
Yeah.
Nice, dude. Hit him with it. Get your foot down, Bulldor.
Oh
How do you feel
no.
about them casting a black snake, dude?
Not the snake governor. I'm scared of the snake governor. I don't like how he looks. He's scary.
What is that,
It's
dude?
the snake governor.
It looks like a tiger, dude.
It's like a fucking tiger snake. It's the creepiest looking thing in the game.
I mean, I don't know, but that snake bitch looked kind of creepy.
Yeah. Any of the snake or bug things in this game are fucking creepy.
Right, right. So, you totally are racist against...
I'm definitely racist against bugs. That's for sure. I fucking hate bugs.
Like all bugs?
Like spiders, insects, just all any kind of.
I hate spiders, but all the other bugs, they don't bother me.
No, I don't like when I see those giant moths. It creeps me the fuck out, dude.
What about butterflies? Do butterflies scare you?
They don't scare me, but I still don't like them.
Wow, you saw that SpongeBob episode where it did a close-up
Ooh,
view?
dude, that fucked me up as a kid, dude. Dude, that I think that's where
Sandy's
it started.
butterfly?
I think that's where it started.
Really? Oh,
think so.
dude, Sandy's butterfly really fucked you up.
She fucking psychologically destroyed me.
I didn't know I was in a party without pussy. So why did you invite me?
I don't know. It was just a chat while I played.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Is
this gonna be like a video? Am I not supposed to say anything racist?
Yeah, I'm recording right now,
Oh,
but it's okay.
are you gonna... Wait, is my voice audio like not, you know...
Oh
Nothing
no,
for you?
like they
Did
can
you
hear
turn
you.
it off?
No, yeah, they can hear you.
Oh, fuck, dude.
I mean,
think
I
I said
don't
the
think he
hard
said
R.
anything like too. No, don't do that. I was just about to say, I don't think you said anything too crazy. You're like, I'm gonna say it. Nope, no, don't do that. Hello?
I want wings.
Who the fuck are you? What the fuck?
It's a hand.
John Handyman.
Took that 5-head to another
God
fucking level. my
damn,
guy.
he's huge. The Supreme Inspector. Inspect this, buddy.
Wow, look at that damage, dude.
Only thing you inspecting is an ass whooping. Woo! What is that? Woo! Woo! Can't touch me, buddy. What in the flying fuck? Oh,
Not
we get a cutscene already?
battle. That's crazy.
That's not fair.
Spare his life.
What is going on?
How the fuck did it hear that with no ears, dog?
You
What?
reincarnate. You're still blind to the ways of this world.
What is happening?
Now, in your folly, you've hindered the dealings of the court.
I was
But
beating
above
this guy.
that, you've given a girl who knows
Right,
no
right,
use
yeah.
a false hope. I shall transform her into a mighty golden pill and...
Is that the thing from Kung Fu Panda
Think about her when
that like killed
Poe's dad.
Poe's family? Yeah.
Poe. We have to run the noodle shop, Poe.
Not the noodle shop.
That was a strange encounter.
Damn, dude, that freaking light just held your ass up.
Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. I was whooping that hand's ass, and then the game was just like, "No, you can't do that. Can't
Yeah,
do
you totally
that."
were doing that, dude. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So many crannies and nooks.
Not the nooks and crannies.
Old grannies.
Is that your type?
No. Jacob's type.
How old is too old, Jordan?
For me?
Yeah, dude. You're the only one else
Oh,
in here.
hello there. Sorry to intrude. Looks like you were in a rush. How old is too old? Hang on, I'm getting turned around here. I'm 28, so well, I'll be 28 this Sunday.
Oh wow, I can't wait not to wish you happy birthday.
Me too. It's crazy. Fuck. I don't know. Maybe like 38, like 10 years
Damn.
older, like 10 years.
Now, here's a more important question. How young is too young?
I knew that was coming.
I knew you knew, that's why I asked. Remember, this is a video on YouTube. so
10 years
be
older
careful.
is the max. Oldest, 10 years younger is the max.
Wow, dude, you barely made the cutoff. That's crazy.
Yeah, that is crazy. That's 10 years older, 10 years
think-
younger.
I think the rule to live by is like, what, half your age, then plus 7?
I never heard that half.
So
I never heard that
21.
+7 part, but
Oh, so just half your age?
yeah, I don't know.
I thought that's what it was. Half your age plus 7? So that means 21 would be...
Is that what it says in the law? It says like legal age of consent,
Well-
half your age plus 7.
I don't really look at a lot of those laws because I don't really date that young. But, I mean, maybe. I don't know.
I don't know. I mean, I know I probably wouldn't even date anyone 18 because I don't know.
would
Maybe
date
like
anyone.
I'd
Damn,
say
You're
I'd say
emotionally damaged.
maybe in like 21, 22 because when they're like 18, 19, they're still dumb. Cause I
Yeah,
remember,
you don't want to go pick them up from high school. You know what I'm
but
saying?
dude, like
That's
I
a little
remember
awkward.
whenever I was like 19, I was a fucking idiot. Like
And you're not now?
I'm a wise idiot.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But like girls that young are still like just
What?
not
Say what you
quite
wanna
on
say,
the
Jordan.
same like wavelength.
Mm-hmm. It's an experience thing, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I think if as long as a girl's like in the 20s, I think that's fine.
All right. Oh my God, it's the pin.
Spam risk.
Uh-oh. Is that a spider?